So far we've learned Linux, Raspberry Pi, and actually coding in Python. And I think those are the skills I need in order to transform my world now and then to be part of the global change that's coming up.
I am a participant in the Global Code 2019, and it has really been interesting and really be fun here, and we are actually learning a lot of stuff. Now I know how to connect Raspberry Pi to my PC, that's my laptop, and I also know how to connect the breadboard to the laptop and know how to make them communicate using the GPIO pins.
Actually, it's been a wonderful experience to be a volunteer to teach software engineering in Global Code 2019 to help students understand technologies like Linux, Python, Git and GitHub, and Raspberry Pi GPIO pins.
With Global Code, I have now built my interest on it, and I really know the basics of programming, and I think from here I will work on it and keep learning more.
So I'll say thank you to Global Code.
I hope they continue to learn more and improve upon these skills. I think Global Code is the place to get started. I'm a proud lamplighter.